guys, welcome back to my channel Enhancing Beauties. I'm Shaina Kohli and I'm back with a new eye makeup video using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, and I am using it for the second time. I used it for the first time on my birthday, and this eye makeup look I actually carried on my birthday. And if you can hear any voice of a kid, so that's my niece around me whose name is Shaina, and she is speaking at the background, so please ignore that. So at this point of time I was using the Milagro essential oil, 24 karat gold essential oil that I bought from an Instagram page, and I was preparing my whole face for the whole face makeup look, which I haven't added in this video because it became too long because it was a chatty one. As you can see, I am speaking a lot in this video, so I am skipping direct to the eye makeup. I have separated the videos into two, so let's not waste the time and get into the video. So I am using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in the shade 5. So I am using it as a eye base, like a primer for my eyeshadows, so that my eyeshadows pop up. Using the Master Stroke brush from PAC, and it's the brush number 05, and I'm using it to blend my eye base, my eye primer or concealer, whatever you need to say. Now moving on to the eyeshadow palette, I'm using Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. Oh, you can see the happiness on my face and I am so happy to use it. I use it for my brides, but now I will use it for my eyeshadow look, and look at this beauty. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. So now I'm taking this shade Eden, that is the third one, with the PAC 274 blending brush, and I'm gonna place that shade Eden into my crease and blend it in circular motions. Like as usual, you all know the steps, so I'm not going to explain it again and again. I'm sorry. You know how does that go. Circular motions and forward and backward motions. Now moving on to the next step is to create an eye base for my eyeshadows, that is using this Blue Hex Nika Glam On Eyes pencil, and it's a beautiful shade. I tell you, it's a beautiful shade. I love it to bits. Taking that Eden shade in the blending brush, I'm gonna blend this blue eyeshadow and like get rid of the harsh edges of this blue eyeshadow base, like blue eye pencil actually. Now taking the shade Saffron, I'm going to intensify my crease and will place it gently all over my crease and in the outer corner of my eye and blend it well using the circular motions. I will actually take the color 2 to 3 times to make it more intensified and make the color pop up a little more. I'm taking this shade Twilight, a beautiful shimmery eyeshadow, and using my fingers to apply this on my eyelids. You will have to apply this into the center of your eyelids, right above your eyeballs, but in the center of your eyelids in the sweeping motions, and then take it till the crease. Yes, take it till the crease where you applied the crease shade. And now start dabbing it a little bit from left to right, left to right, left to right, to spread it a little bit to the both of the sides. You can see how I am doing from left to right in dabbing motions, and the color will spread to both the sides and will look a lot more blended. Now I'm using the PAC smudger brush, that is PAC 082, and taking both the colors, the Eden and the Saffron, and will use it to smoke out my lower lash line. Now taking the PAC gel eyeliner and taking the brush PAC 062 and dipping it into the gel liner, I am going to align my lower waterline. Just as simple as it is. And next we are going to take this Megaga Professional brush number 40 to align my upper lash line to make a wing eyeliner using the same PAC gel eyeliner. Again the PAC 082 brush, I am going to smudge that eyeliner that I have done right now using the PAC gel liner, and you have to smudge that wing too, so it really gives a nice look, a smudged eyeliner look. You could also take a black eyeshadow, but I could not find a black eyeshadow, so I actually had to use harsh hands to smudge this eyeliner. Using an eyeshadow, it's really easy to smudge the eyeliner. Now I'm using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara, and it really gives the full fan effect to my eyelashes. I actually doesn't use false eyelashes on the daily basis, so I love to use mascara on that place, and I have long eyelashes, so after using this mascara, my lashes really become fluttery, full, and it looks like I've applied some false eyelashes on my eyes. So it is really amazing, and it gives a beautiful effect to my eyes. And yes, it is a really waterproof mascara. I could not take off this mascara like till 3 days, and it was really difficult to take off this mascara. It's totally waterproof. I've washed like 50 times my face to get rid of this mascara, but it was amazing. It's a foolproof waterproof mascara. So yes, this was the final eye look that came as the result, and it is so amazing and beautiful. So now I know why people love Huda Beauty palettes, and I'm already falling in love with them. This was my first product that I used from Huda. And if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned till the next video.